Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is currently Saturday the 5th of July, so we have officially been in the house a week, which is mad, exciting but mad. I've had quite a few deliveries, so I thought, well, I wanted to vlog this bit anyway because this is quite an exciting one. So this morning we had a Dunelm delivery. This is an under the sink cabinet, which I'm going to build in a little while. But yesterday we had this delivery, which is a Pro Cook delivery, which is more plates, more bowls, more of those, which we needed. So I want to have like a set of 6 of everything rather than 4, because I find 1, when we have people over, and 2, like when things are in the wash or in the dishwasher or whatever, then at least then we've got a good amount of like plates and bowls and things. And you always kind of need more than 4, I think. Anyway, this clip is about the dining table. So as you know, we've got this dining table, which is so gorgeous. It's from Barker & Stonehouse. We've got the bench, and obviously there is meant to be 2 chairs here. Well, the 2 chairs came yesterday, so I am now gonna unbox these. Look at my doggo, bless her. She's sat outside. She loves it outside. So yeah, so that is what I'm going to be doing now. I'll probably time lapse it and then literally show you up close and personal to what chairs we've chose. There's just 2 in there because obviously we've got the bench this side. I think we're going to put the bench the other side and then have the 2 chairs this side. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. They're like even nicer in person, and they're so comfy. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see what they look like on the table. Guys, I am beyond obsessed with these chairs. How good do they go with this table? They literally match amazingly. These are also from Barker & Stonehouse. They don't match the set, but I think they're a really good match, to be honest. These are the Dove chairs, I think they're called. But they're just like this stunning material. Perfect for me, because if my cat plucks these, it literally doesn't matter because they already look like that boucle. They're already that boucle like fabric, which kind of has that distressed look anyway. Hopefully she won't, because I do cut her claws because she's an indoor cat. The wood on the legs has like the grey tones in, which obviously the table does too. So honestly, I'm just so happy. They literally fit underneath the table perfectly as well, side by side. Obviously, I've done the bench this side like that. The bench can go at an angle, so if I push it more that way, and the legs can go right underneath if we need a bit more space. But I actually think there's still enough walkway there for it to be like that anyway. Oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I love them so much. We're really coming together in this area now. Obviously, we've got my table, the sofa, which is a little bit messed up. So just ignore that. So we got this blanket purely for Cleo because she likes to go on the sofa, and obviously we let her go on the sofa. But I do like to keep it nice and clean as well. And at least with this blanket, I can take it off and wash it. But yeah, so here's the sofa. For now, in this corner, we've just got Cleo's dog toy basket and Luna's little bed. Not that she uses this, I don't think she does. But yeah, so this is the sofa, the table, and then the TV, and then we've got a unit coming for here. For now, Cleo's dog bowls are just there, which I think will probably just be moved to here. Luna's we just have under the table, but I've just moved them out of the way just while I was filming the video. We do obviously need to get some, I can't even remember what it's called, the stuff that covers the wires. We're not getting any of that until like the unit's here, and then we've got like the PlayStation or the Xbox plugged in, because we're having the PlayStation plugged in down here and the Xbox upstairs, or vice versa, depending on which one we want where. And then obviously we'll know how many wires we need to cover. Oh, the trunking, that's it. The trunking that covers the wires, just so then it looks nice and flush and you can't see these dangling everywhere. And then I need to get some like prints and things on the wall. I think I want to get like some prints up here, or maybe even a mirror. I don't really know yet. Maybe a big mirror actually, and then I could get some prints on this bit here, and then this bit here. But yeah, I've got so much wall space to play with. I was thinking maybe even a little shelf up here, but we'll see. The kitchen is just a mess because I've been shopping to B&M this morning, and I've just put all of the stuff on the side over there, like Luna's stuff, and the Pro Cook box for now, so then it was out the way while I filmed my TikTok and for this video. This is the next thing we are going to build, and this is the under sink unit for the main bathroom on the top floor. We got this from Dunelm, and it is the LC self-assembly under the sink unit in stone. This literally goes, I mean, perfectly with the vibe that I've created in that upstairs bathroom. So we've gone for like a gold and creamy vibe. This is what it looks like. It's like all ribbed. Oh, it's perfect. I love it. It literally matches the wardrobes perfectly. Look at that colour. What the hell? But I would do it all again. Where do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Oh, oh, without you in my life. Oh, and I thought that I was fine, but I can't tell. Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it all. Still it's not like I even really care, but I do. And what am I supposed to... And we are done. How gorge. I feel like that needs like lift it a little bit, but oh my god, I'm so proud. I love it so much. Now it's time to go put it upstairs. Hey guys, today is Tuesday the 8th of July, and we've had a few more deliveries. So I am just about to build the like side table, the unit for underneath the TV in the kitchen living area. So let me just show you. Just got back from work, so I've just fed the animals. Claire's there eating hers, and Luna is under there. But here is our parcel. It's from Dusk, and yeah, it's gonna hopefully fit perfectly right here. Just ignore my green cloth on there because it was just drying because I wiped the windows down yesterday. So I just went upstairs and got the drill and some screwdrivers because I think I'll definitely need those. I'm not going to film doing this because I feel like I filmed and time-lapse doing loads of things. So I'll probably just do like snippets here and there to show you update and progress. It's currently 7:20. I've not had my tea yet, but I don't really want it yet, so I'll just eat later on. I'm not at work tomorrow, so I've not got a time frame. So yeah, I'm going to try and build this tonight, but first things first, I need to hoover. And just hoover up here where it's gonna go, and then I might just get a floor wipe and just wipe over the floor as well. Another parcel actually that we did have is Luna's cat tree, but I'll probably build that one tomorrow. I think she's gonna absolutely love, aren't you? Hey, you got your confidence. Oh, I say that, but then she just runs off. She doesn't know how ugly what this is, that's why. Look. What doing? It? She doesn't know what the camera is. What is it? You scaredy cat. Luna. Luna. That's enough distractions. Let's get building. This is where we're at so far. I have already snapped one of the plastic pieces, so I'm gonna have to get some glue to stick that on because that is crazy. I can't believe I've done that. I was just too heavy-handed, and because it's only plastic, it just snapped. Very annoying. Hey guys, it is currently the next day now. I got up this morning and this is how we're looking. So basically Sam came home last night and helped me do some of it, but then we left it, went to bed, and then turns out this morning I was looking at the instructions and found out that we actually put it on the wrong way round, the bit that we added last night. So I had to redo all of that again, and yeah, I think it's just better me doing it myself. But this is what we're looking like so far. I love it. So now we've just got to build the drawers, put the doors on, and then it is basically complete. I've already tested it in the space here. It fits perfectly, looks so good. I've also moved the table over a little bit. Still looks amazing. So yeah, that is where we're at. I'm really, really happy with it. The colour is perfect for this room. We finally have a clear floor, and that is because it's up. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So I've had to move the table over a little bit, which is fine because it still works really, really well, as you can see. So there's our dining space. And then we've got our sideboard, our TV, and then our sofa. Just excuse my washing. I wash the towels and things. Cleo's food bowls are going to go here, I think, or maybe here. Either or. And yeah, I love it. I've had intervals throughout the day, but it is currently 6 o'clock. I got it done, I'd say at like 3:30. But I've just been doing other bits around the house, like sweeping the floors, because I have got one very molting dog and cat. I gave her a bath as well because she needed it. She's currently just sat outside, bless her, she's so hot, so I've put her cooling collar on, which is like this collar you put in the freezer, and it like cools them right down. But yeah, I've got some washing done, which is Cleo's washing, so I've washed her harness, her lead, and everything as well. You've been out for walkies today, haven't you, with Tegan, Sam's sister, because she's a dog walker trainer. So on Wednesdays now, Cleo goes for walks with her, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm loving this, how it's all coming together. Everything just matches so nicely. I love it. This colour just goes perfectly with the table, with the floor. It all just really, really matches, and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna get a rug for here. I don't think we'll be getting like a coffee table for the middle. I'm not sure yet, maybe we might decide to in the future, but I do quite like having this space, but I do definitely want a rug there for the winter. Obviously we're going to have our blinds coming as well, and I do want to get some curtains for down here too. Probably some like voile curtains, you know, just like sheer curtains, because we are going to have like the actual individual blinds for in the windows.
A few moments later.
Just realised in the vlog that I didn't show you what it actually looked like in the bathroom, and I love it. Excuse the smeary mirror. I tried to wipe it yesterday with an antibacterial wipe, but I just need to go over it with actual like glass cleaner. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It matches all of the like accessories perfectly. As you can see, like this is ribbed as well. And yeah, it just goes perfectly. I love it. Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it all. Still, it's not like I